Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll compare Forex trading with stock trading, and I will tell you which one is better for beginners. So, if you're looking to start investing or trading, choosing the right market is crucial. So, today we'll break it down, all the key differences and all the pros and cons of it. Starting with Forex trading, or also known as foreign exchange trading. It involves buying and selling currencies like US dollars, euros, and yens, and it's open 24/5, highly liquid, and offers leverage, meaning you can trade with more money than you actually have. But the downside is it's highly volatile and requires quick decision making, which can be quite risky for beginners considering their experiences. Compared with stock trading involves buying shares in companies like Apple, Tesla, Amazon, etc. So stocks are easier to understand, less volatile than Forex, and great for long-term investment. However, the stock market has set trading hours and you'll need more capital upfront to get started. So, if you ask me which one should you choose considering you're a beginner, I'll say Forex is great if you want fast-paced, high-risk trading with a small amount of capital. But stocks are better if you prefer steady growth, lower risk, and long-term investment. So, for my personal advices, for most beginners, stocks are the safer thing and more beginner-friendly choice. And I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.